could definitely limp it in here to get it welded. But I can also just wait for that till it's almost done and weld that, because it fits over, so there's gonna be an exhaust leak out of it, I guarantee. It shouldn't be terrible, but it should work. So I'm gonna tack that V-band on and then double check everything. I've got it kind of roughly on there. Let's see if you can see. You can kind of see it right in there. It's not lined up perfectly. I'm gonna see if this clamp, which I needed to get on first, technically. We'll see if that clamp will kind of line them up. Hopefully it will, because I mean it's on there, it's just not perfectly flush. And I'm not gonna try to get it perfectly flush unless I have to.